Today we're going to talk all about some beverage package changes on Princess, just a little change, and I'm wondering how much of a difference it's going to make. We're also going to talk about loyalty on Princess, some things that we're seeing just to make you aware. Also, Holland America has introduced some new cruises, so it'll be fun to talk about those a little bit. An update from Celebrity and just some things to think about pricing we might see on Princess, as well as what's going on in the casino on Princess. Lots to talk about, so let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today is Wednesday. It is March 6th of 2023. I am here still in Boston, as you can see behind me. My video yesterday I pre-recorded because I knew I would have some days here that I wouldn't have that chance. So let's start at the top talking about what's going on as far as the Plus and Premier beverage packages on Princess. If you are new to Princess or new around here, you maybe don't realize, but Princess actually has a Plus beverage package and a Premier beverage package, and those are also part of the Plus package and the Premier package. They both have the same names. It can be a little bit confusing. So the Plus package includes other things with it, but the Plus beverage package only includes the beverages. A heads up, don't just book the beverage package. It costs more than actually booking the Plus package, and same with the Premier. The really big thing that I am seeing, and I have seen it for like 3 days now, so I'm finally feeling like maybe this change is permanent on their website, is that there are no longer a limit. It used to say up to 15 alcoholic beverages a day. For the Plus package, that's $15 per beverage, and the Premier package, it's $20 per beverage. If you order one that's a little bit more, you just pay the difference. But it's a really big difference to me that they put that in there. I am always one that has thought that's kind of a lot of alcoholic beverages to be consuming a day. So let me know in the comments if you welcome this change, if you think you would drink that many, or if it'll make a nice difference for you. It's a fun thing to talk about. Another thing that we are still seeing a lot of, and I know Let's Go family members have recently contacted me about this, is being charged for the medallion shipping even though you have the Plus package. This is still going on here and there. Honestly, I hear from people on some ships, they go talk to the guest services department and they get that $10 back. Sometimes they go talk to them and they don't get their $10 back. So just a quick update for you on that. That's still going on, and I don't know what to expect with it. Also, loyalty on the app is still messed up, and people are not seeing the correct loyalty on the app, but it is coming correctly through on their medallions. So I really do just think it's a glitch with the app, and hopefully they're working on it. I called Princess yesterday to ask when they would maybe get that solved, just to get, if the customer service reps had any updates, and they don't. So I'll let you know when I notice my loyalty fixed, or anyone else let me know if you see yours fixed as well. Now, an update for us from Holland America is they have released their 2025-2026 Panama Canal and Hawaii cruises. And they're going to have 3 ships sailing through the Panama Canal. They've got a variety. It's really kind of cool. They've got 15 to 22-day voyages. And so they've got some that start clear up in Vancouver and go over to Fort Lauderdale. San Francisco is also a port they use, as well as San Diego. So you can kind of look and see what it is that you want to see as far as what port you would like to sail from, and if you want to try something new. That's a big deal. They have added a new port stop, also Holland America has, on these sailings. On some of them, they're going to stop in a town called Acajutla. I tried listening to that pronunciation, and I don't think I'm going to get it right. So that is new, and they're going to be able to see Mayan ruins from there, volcanoes, as well as the cocoa plantations. Now, also Hawaii, the Holland America has some really excellent sailings for Hawaii. They're going to run the Koningsdam, the New Amsterdam, and the Zaandam. One of the reasons you might want to think about going on the New Amsterdam is they have that new restaurant there on that ship called Morimoto's by the Sea, so that would be kind of fun. They run those sailings from Vancouver as well as from San Diego. They do stop. Now, Holland America does stop in some places that Princess doesn't stop when they're on their Hawaii sailings, so if you want a little bit more variety, you can take advantage of that and see what they've got to offer. I want to talk to you for a minute here about the casino on Princess. One of our Let's Go family members commented and said that they received an invitation to a $250,000 slot tournament on the Sun Princess on October 26th of 2024. So it'll be fun to hear how many of you are going to that. I have heard that the casino offers have tightened up a little bit on Princess, so let me know, those of you who regularly receive those, what differences you're seeing, or if you're new to the casino on Princess and you've got an offer, let us know about that as well. I want to talk to you about what we are seeing on Celebrity and how it is maybe going to affect what we see on Princess, and I want to hear what you think about it. I believe it was maybe last October, a Celebrity introduced something that they called the Premium Access, and I remember talking to you about it clear back then. And what they are doing is charging guests on a per day basis for some extra perks. And so I thought it would be kind of fun to let you know what they're doing, what I've been hearing lately about it, as well as let me know if you would do this or not, okay? So first of all, it's $32.99 per day, and here's what you get. You get premium Wi-Fi for 2 devices, so that right there makes it worth it to me. They've also got priority embarkation. If you are in a tender port, you get priority disembarkation onto that tender. To me, that's huge. Usually you have to have high loyalty for that. Also, no room service fees, so if you're someone that really enjoys room service, that is worth it right there as well. They're going to have a special welcome lunch for everyone, as well as reserved theater seating just on the evening chic night, so that kind of translates into formal nights on Princess. So let me know in the comments below if you would want to book this, as well as if you have experienced this. Now, some people say that you have to receive the email in order to book that. When I called Celebrity and asked, they said it depends on the sailing. They also only allow a certain number of guests on board to pay for this. Some people have shared that they have had to pay for it for everyone in their cabins. Some people have told me that they bought it for them, then they went back to get it for their whoever they were traveling with, and it was no longer available. So let me know, like I said, if you have experienced the Premium Access on Celebrity and if you would be willing to pay for it on Princess. That 2 premium Wi-Fi devices per person is excellent, and if you look at how much it costs for that, it's worth it right there to pay for this package. On Celebrity, remember, they've got the 2 levels of Wi-Fi, and if you want to stream your videos or you want to be able to open large emails with large attachments and everything, all those kind of things, you're going to need the Premium Access. That's based on my personal experience as well as what other people tell me as well. I feel like it's really important to stay for just a minute. Yesterday, as I was talking about the Sun Princess and how some of the dining's not running, the entertainment's not running in the entertainment venues, I just wanted to say, if you are booked on one of the upcoming cruises and you have not received a move over offer, all is not lost. Go on your cruise, absolutely enjoy what there is to enjoy. You're going to be in the Mediterranean, for heaven's sakes. Really, really enjoy yourself. So don't go thinking it's not going to be as great. Go and look for the great and make it a wonderful time. I think that that is really, really important. Also, rumor has it that by the time Gordon and I hopefully get on that ship, and I say hopefully because of the no baby thing here yet, the Spellbound is supposed to be running by then, is what I've heard. So I will keep you up to date on that and let you know when we get on board. But you know what? Just go and have a wonderful time, and keep in mind how important it is to realize where you stand on a certain day, what your options are, and choose the best and have a nice time. So I really appreciate you all being here with me. It's really nice to see you all. Today it is about noon here in Boston, and we still don't have a baby. He is just taking his own sweet time getting here, so I'll keep you up to date on that, and I will see you all here again tomorrow. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.